Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today is December 22nd, so happy Vlogmas day 22. 20 years ago today, my dad passed away, and that was the hardest day I'd had in my life. And then 3 years later, my mom passed away, and actually 3 days after my dad passed away, my grandma passed away. So 20 years ago was the roughest year of my life. I don't know what the roughest moment of my life has been, but we've all had them, I know, and I am not trying to bring anybody down or whatever, but if you are having problems over the holidays or stressing or just depression or any of that, please know that you are not alone and that you will be okay. Those two things helped me tremendously and still help me today, because I get upset and depressed about things sometimes myself still, and sometimes people can't believe that that's true because I usually am happy, and but it hits everyone, or it's not, it doesn't matter how happy you are or how funny you are. I mean, I think of Robin Williams sometimes, because depression can hit you no matter what, and it is awful. It is awful, awful, awful. And I know that some people share or are sharing that, you know, they're on medication or whatever, and I have no problems telling you guys that I am on medication myself for depression, and I have been for 3 or 4 years, and I definitely needed to be on it before then, and I know I do not look that fantastic. I got up, put my hair up, put the same clothes on that I had yesterday, except for I put on different pants, but I have the same shirts. I put a different cowl on, and I am rocking it, and I don't even care, because all I'm doing is, right now I'm headed to Starbucks, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done because my thumb is just bugging the bejesus out of me, and when I try to knit, it gets caught, and it's just awful. So I gotta do that early so that I can knit, because I'm gonna have the house to myself a little bit later, and I am going to turn off all of my electronics, and I am going to just be, and I am happy about that. And I know that some people will think that maybe I should go with my husband or whatever so that I feel like I'm not alone today, but honestly, alone time in my own house sounds fabulous, and it's not going to be depressing to me at all to be alone. So that is what my plan is. Katie is going to her dad's to celebrate Christmas with his family, both his sisters and stuff, and then Dennis is going to his brothers to celebrate Christmas with them, and frankly, I just don't want to go, and I know that that sounds crazy probably, and maybe it is, but I don't even care. It is what it is, and you know, every family has some dysfunction in it, and ours is no different, and his family is just not people that I want to voluntarily spend time with right now. They just are a lot different than me. I love his mom, I love his dad, and I'm not saying I don't love the rest of the family, because I do want the best for them, and to me that means that you love them. That's why I can say I love everyone, because I truly do want the best for everyone. It doesn't mean I want to necessarily spend my time with you. I only have a select amount of time, and family is people, or family are people that sometimes you choose to be and not necessarily are born into. I mean, those are your family too, but unfortunately I'm just not there right now, so I'm choosing not to spend my time there today. So I'm not gonna go, and I'm going to have the house to myself, which, like I said, really does sound terrific. Sometimes I have alone time, just in the fact that Dennis might be working or be upstairs or whatever, and Katie, I mean, even alone time, just since she's been home, Katie might be in her room doing something, and that's great alone time, but there's nothing like being by yourself in your house, where I'm most comfortable. And I mean, you know, I'm not going to do anything that I don't normally do, but it just sometimes just feels good. And I think that you guys understand what I mean. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to watch YouTube. I might watch a Hallmark movie. I might even just turn on the Gilmore Girls and watch them. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. But that is my plan for today, and I'm probably going to cut this Vlogmas. I'll just probably be done after. Maybe I'll show you guys my nails and then I'll be done. But because I'm really just not gonna be too attached to my phone today and to be able to vlog, and I just don't want to. No offense to you guys, but I know that you understand. I mean, I love talking to you guys, and I love the interaction, and I love sharing, but there's a lot to reflect on today, and I'm going to read my Bible a little bit too, and I am in a Bible study with Katie, and I'm going to work on that. I'm actually a couple of days behind on that, and I need to get caught up, so I'm going to do that. That's my plan. And then I also maybe we'll work on my planner a little bit, and then I just really want to knit. I want to get that one cowl done that I'm working on, and I want to work some more on the what's it called, shawl. I have a couple, actually I think I have 3 shawls still on the needles that I would like to work through, and I also have a sweater that I want to cast on. Now that's going to be like my Christmas cast on, but I am super excited to go ahead and cast that on. Now here's Panera Bread. That's interesting. They have coffees too, but I'm gonna do the Starbucks thing. So here I am. In line. Oh, I do need to get my nails done desperately. Which is A-okay with me. I don't want this guy to think that I mean, I don't really care if he wants to go before me, then just go before me. So I hope that you guys are having a fun day today. I know that Katie and I are gonna do some baking. I don't know if we're doing that today or tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so tomorrow's Sunday. Monday is the day that we're celebrating Christmas, so we have to have all of our stuff done by Monday. But we can still make stuff on Monday too. It's not like they're little kids and we have to put up a bunch of toys and, you know, put together a bunch of things and all that, so it'll be all right. I have my ham in the fridge thawing out, so I'll just need to bake that, and then I need to make macaroni and cheese, and I need to make green beans, and I need to make, Dennis wants to make stuffing. We're gonna make something called mistakes, which are just fabulous. Oh, and I didn't buy this stuff for my Wonton Americas. Oh, I'm gonna need to go to the grocery for sure, because I have to have Wonton Americas. I can't believe I forgot that. That's like one of our big traditions. Wonton Americas. Maybe I'll do a Foodie Friday on those. I don't know. Don't count on it, but that's a good idea if I can fit it in. But yeah. So I'm going to let you guys go because I'm just waiting here, and I'm going to listen to some Christmas music. I didn't sleep well last night at all, so I might even take a nap. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But I can do whatever I want. Yay. Alright, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Alright, I got my nails done and I got my eyebrows done. Woo-wee, they're still red and red. But I got the same color I did last time on my nails. Woo-wee. The haircutting place. The eyebrow place is right next to the nail place. So that worked out well. I try to do that, but I don't always think about it. I try to keep my caterpillar eyebrows done myself, but I'm not very good at that either. So I don't know. But I do like getting them done. And it's noon now, so I'm going to go home and maybe I'll fix myself some ham and cheese. Or maybe I'll do turkey and cheese since I'm going to have ham on Christmas. Actually, I'll have it Christmas Eve and Christmas Day because I found out that I know we're going to Dennis's aunt's for Christmas Day, or on Christmas Day, and she wanted to order a honey baked ham. Dennis had told her that they were really good, and then she asked me where to get it, and so I told her where she needed to go to get them, and she asked me again if they were as good as Dennis said, and I said they're probably better because I don't know what he said, but honey baked ham is the best. So she got it from there as well, so that's cool. We'll have ham for days, which is okay with me, but I'm gonna freeze some too. So all right, so I'm on my way home and I am going to enjoy some time alone. So I'm signing off for today. Happy Vlogmas Day 22. I hope that all of you have a wonderful day. Bye.